Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce veg pasta only way. Start by gathering milk, butter, flour, pasta, mixed vegetables, salt, pepper, olive oil, and grated cheese. Heat gently. Boil pasta until al dente and drain, reserving some pasta water. Make a smooth roux with butter and flour. Whisk in warm milk, season, and fold in vegetables and cheese. Combine with pasta, adjust thickness with reserved water, and serve warm for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce veg pasta only way. Melt butter, add flour, and stir constantly until the mixture smells lightly toasted and looks sandy. Slowly pour in warm milk while whisking vigorously to prevent lumps and create a silky texture. Keep stirring and simmer gently until it reaches a creamy coat on the back of the spoon stage. Then season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for depth before adding cheese and vegetables. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce veg pasta only way. Quick recommendation: if you like reading recipes on the couch or in the kitchen, consider the Kindle Paperwhite for its crisp display and long battery life. It makes following steps while cooking much easier and less messy. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce veg pasta only way. Sauté chopped vegetables like bell pepper, broccoli, and mushroom in olive oil until just tender but still vibrant. Meanwhile, cook pasta to al dente and save 1 cup of the pasta water for adjusting sauce. Fold the vegetables into the finished white sauce, add pasta, and mix gently. Use reserved water to loosen the sauce so it clings beautifully to every strand and bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.